Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily force restart and reboot your Apple iPhone 16e. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. All right, let's jump right in. So you may want to do this if your iPhone is acting up. Maybe it's freezing on certain apps. And you want to just do a quick reset to just close everything on the iPhone and get it to start running again fresh to see if hopefully it unfreezes and starts working normally again. All right, so this is super simple. Let's say you got stuck on an app, for example, like this. So what you're gonna do here is to perform the quick reset, you're gonna press volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power lock button. That's pretty much all you're gonna have to do. So let's go ahead and do it. Volume up, volume down, press and hold it. After a few seconds, the screen will black out. And then once it does, you can let go of the power lock button. There we go. So now we can let go of the power lock button. And as you can see, the Apple logo is showing up. So it is automatically restarting now. And there you go. The phone has booted on. So hopefully that will unfreeze it. And that is how you can easily do a restart and reboot on your Apple iPhone 16e. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know if it helped you. See you in the next video. Peace.